In this video, we are going to see how we can create all the customers in Odoo and how we can update or enter their opening balances under each customer. So first of all, wherever you are, just make sure you are under the accounting application. If not, you can just head over it from the main application section to accounting and just go to the customers, and right at the bottom, we have customers here. Since there is no customer, we need to create all the customers here, new. Just choose if it is a person or a company. This one is, let's say, a company. Justin. Or let's say it is a person. And we can enter all of the basic details about this person, job position, tax ID, whatever it is. Then this one is all the contact details. Next one is sales and purchases. So if this customer have any salesperson that we need to contact to, you can allocate that. The buyer details, you can allocate that. You can update the payment terms. So let's say the default credit terms is 30 days. That customer needs to pay us in 30 days, or you can configure of your own. You can offer some discounts as well. Payment method is manual payment, bank, or whatever. So if we leave it as open, it will allow us to enter it every time. Even if we save any, it will automatically be shown on the invoice, but still you can change that. So price list, default. So price list is already set to default, fiscal in position, domestic or foreign trade. But these are all the fields that is not compulsory. So we can leave these as it is. As we get the information, we can simply enter that. That is pretty basic. Let's go to the accounting tab, and we have the bank's information. If you want to enter their bank details, auto post bills, invoice sending, e-invoice, and all the reminders, you can set it here. If you want to enter some more notes, you can head over to notes and write some internal notes. So this is all the basic information. After that, just click on new, and let's go to the customer first to see if it is saved or not. Okay, this one is saved. Let's go to the new customer, and this one is person. And you will notice that almost same information is there for person or company, but just for company there is tax ID, websites, and some fields are different. So let's say this one is a company, Albert. Paste the name here, but it will immediately start searching for some companies. Make sure you don't select anything from that particular list, and click on new. Next customer is, let's say, a person. It's Victor. Paste it here. Click on new. Next is again a person. It's Mr. Walter. Let's paste it here and click save manually here because we don't have more new customers. So click on save manually and go to the customer section right from here. And these are all the customers entered. Now the question is, how will we put their opening balances? Because there is no direct option in Odoo to update the customer balances, as you can see here. So instead what we can do is we can either enter a journal entry with all the customers. Let's head over to the accounting and click on journal entries and click on new. Here we have the account option, the partner option, labels, debit and credit. So let's say if you want to update it like that, you can just mention account receivable here. Enter the customer name. Let's say Justin. Choose that. Label it as customer opening balance. And you can also mention this one as customer opening balance here. Accounting date is 1st of January. Opening balance. Okay, this is configured from somewhere else, so just enter miscellaneous operations, doesn't matter because we have already labeled it as customer opening balances. Then we have the next line. Let's mention account receivable here. The customer name is Albert. Let's copy and paste this narration. Next one is account receivable again. Customer name is Victor. I just want to choose all the customers first, and then we will together put all the balances. Account receivable again, and then we have Walter. Let's choose Walter. Customer opening balance is the label, and now let's put all the receivables balances. 85,000 for Justin. It says invalid operation, the debits and credits are not equal, so just continue with that, no problem. 30,000 for Albert. 30,000 for Albert. It might disturb it every time. Victor is 65,000. 65,000. And we have Walter 15,000. Close. 15,000. And the other side, on the credit side, we'll put opening balance equity, or let's say we can put it in undistributed profit and loss for now, just to make the adjustments on the other side. So we have 195,000 here, and simply we can post this. After that, just click on the customers, click on customers here. Just check the customer balance by clicking on any particular customer. There's no balance shown right here. And after entering this, we can go to the configuration and click on chart of accounts here, and just make sure that account receivable is updated in the balances. Just click here or click on view, and we should be able to see the updated balance right here. So when we click on that, the individual partner details will show up here. And if you want to check the partner ledger to make sure everything is shown in the particular customer, just go to the reporting from the top and click on partner ledger. And we should be able to see all the partners along with their balances here. And if you want to see the balance in the customers here, and just go to the customer and move back to the customers. And if you want to add the balance, just go to this configuration icon and just add a further field, that is total due. So now total due balances are shown here as well. So this is how you can enter and update the customer information. The other method could be just entering one by one invoices for each customer, but that might take a longer time because you cannot add it all in the single entry. So I prefer this method. It's your choice. If you want to enter the individual invoices, just click on customer and invoice, click on new. And this way you can just create the customer invoice as just opening balance here. Don't add the product or anything, just enter the balance here. But that is more complex way of doing this. I prefer this journal entry method. So this is how you can update the customer balances in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.